Transform your home's stunning garden entrances for ultimate curb appeal. When it comes to enhancing your home's aesthetics, the first impression is often the most important. A well-designed entrance can significantly transform your home, creating a welcoming atmosphere that resonates with guests and passers-by alike. Stunning garden entrances not only elevate your property's visual appeal, but also set the tone for the entire front yard design. The importance of curb appeal. Ultimate curb appeal goes beyond a fresh coat of paint or a pristine lawn. It incorporates thoughtful landscaping and outdoor decor inspiration that harmonizes with your home's architecture. Beautiful landscaping is a key component in creating a captivating garden entrance. It invites visitors to explore further while showcasing your commitment to maintaining your property. Garden design ideas to enhance your entrance. Welcoming pathways. A well-defined pathway leading to your front door can be adorned with flowers, decorative stones, or even ambient lighting. Consider using materials that complement your home's exterior to create a seamless transition from the street to your entrance. Lush plantings incorporating a variety of plants can bring texture and color to your entrance. Choose perennials for year-round beauty or seasonal flowers for a vibrant touch. Layering different heights and types of plants can create visual interest and make your entrance feel alive. Statement features consider adding a focal point, such as a decorative arbor, a unique garden bench, or a beautiful water feature. These elements not only enhance the beauty of your entrance but also provide a space for relaxation and enjoyment. Seasonal decor. Change your outdoor decor with the seasons to keep your entrance fresh and inviting. Wreaths, seasonal planters, and festive lighting can make a big impact and show off your personal style. Lighting solutions. Don't underestimate the power of lighting. Well-placed outdoor lights can illuminate your garden entrance beautifully, enhancing safety while adding a magical touch during the evening hours. Consider solar lights along pathways or lanterns that highlight your favorite landscaping features. Landscape improvement strategies. Transforming your home begins with a strategic approach to landscape improvement. Start by assessing your current front yard design and identifying areas that need attention. Are there overgrown shrubs blocking your entrance? Is the pathway uneven or poorly defined? Addressing these issues can greatly enhance your garden's overall appeal. Investing in professional landscaping services can provide you with tailored garden design ideas that reflect your taste and the character of your home. A landscape designer can help you create a cohesive plan that incorporates stunning garden entrances, ensuring that every element works in harmony. In conclusion, whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful living space, focusing on your garden entrance is a worthwhile endeavor. By employing stunning garden entrances and thoughtful front yard design, you can achieve ultimate curb appeal that leaves a lasting impression. Embrace beautiful landscaping and outdoor decor inspiration to create welcoming entrances that not only transform your home but also enhance your daily life. Start your journey to a more inviting exterior today and watch as your home transforms into a stunning visual masterpiece.